With take-home whitening, you have two options, polar night and polar day. Inside the whitening kit, you will find an instruction manual, as well as a shade guide to record the shade of your teeth before and after the whitening process. To apply the whitening gel on the trays, you will need to remove the white cap and place the attachment on for a better and more precise application. When applying the whitening gel, you want to only apply it on the outer surfaces of the front teeth, not the back molars, as they will not be visible in your smile. You want to only apply a small dot of the gel on each tooth because when you put on the trays, it will spread across the entire tooth. Applying too much gel will get it onto your gums and cause irritation. Once you're done using the whitening gel, remove the attachment and place the white cap back on. You can now store it in the fridge to prolong the shelf life. If your teeth become sensitive, give the whitening a break for a couple of days. Brush your teeth with sensitive toothpaste, and you can also apply the sensitive toothpaste on your teeth and place the trays over it for some relief.